Alright, so pretty much got the injectors back in it. One of the actual copper washers is not seating correctly, and I forgot my brand new washers for the injectors at home, which is 1,500 miles away. So we're just going to fire it up one more time. I realized that the Paragon transmission was out of fluid. I was having problems with the shifting, so topped it off with some fluid. Got a water hose in here to feed the water pump. I'm actually running the fuel out of a 5-gallon can because the fuel in the boat has been here for 8 years. So let's see if this bad boy fires up and what it sounds like, minus the number 2 injector. You can hear a little bit of it blowing back some of the compression. But other than that, it sounds pretty healthy. I just wanted to rotate it a little bit so I can get some fluid rotating in the transmission and see if I can get it to actually shift. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy fired up. Alright, she's running. Sucking water down out of the bucket. Right now we're just letting it run so it can get some fluid moving in the transmission. Alright, 8 years of sitting. Perkins 4107, fire right up. Minus that one injector, push it back a little bit, it sounds pretty dang good. Now I did run across, I have 3 cables that are bad, the shift cable, the throttle cable, and the kill cable. All are bad. Great oil pressure, compression's good. There you go. 8 years. Fired up.